I have a bone to pick, and it's with Instagram. Can I just say, I don't get it. I just feel like Instagram doesn't care about creators. It really just doesn't. I'm going to break down for you why I feel like Instagram is just like, it's just such a annoying app to use. So as you know, I post content every single day. Now it's twice a day. And I post on about 13 different platforms. The only platform that gives me issues is Instagram. It's glitchy. I get it. They're doing so many things. When I post on any other platform, it's straightforward. There's no glitches because those platforms typically have just one function. Like TikTok, it's just you only post one type of video. That's all you can do there. Or Twitter, you can only post a tweet. That's all you can do there, right? Or post a video, but it's the same system. It's not like you're going through different loopholes and Instagram is just like there's so much going on in that app. It's just glitchy. It's just so glitchy. And so that's the first bone I have to pick with Instagram. But beyond that, I just feel as though Instagram is not supportive of creators. And I feel like this because they don't foster a strong environment for creators to thrive the same way that other platforms like YouTube and TikTok do. And I'm not just talking about monetization, because that's one big thing. They could really help us monetize if they wanted to, because they make so much money with Facebook ads. They make so much money. They could like find ways to help us monetize, and they claim that they're doing it. But those options that they have are not real quality options.
This week, we're launching our first version of subscriptions on Instagram. So this first version is a test here in the US, relatively small number of creators, and 3 major integrations. The first is stories. So creators are going to be able to go live just to their subscribers, and you can get exclusive access to those stories. They'll be marked with a purple ring so you know that it's just for you. The second is subscriber lives. So a creator can go live just to their subscribers. And the third is you'll get a subscriber badge, a little purple indicator, so the creator knows that you're a subscriber when they see you in comments, in DMs, or anywhere else across Instagram.
But I'm not even talking about monetization. I'm talking about building an audience. Instagram makes it so difficult. So right now, my Brand Video Pro gets about 100,000 plus views a month across all social media. TikTok is our biggest let me even get the stats right here, right? TikTok and Instagram TikTok is our biggest pool, but sometimes Instagram beats TikTok. And that's because of Instagram Reels, right? So I get a lot of views from Instagram Reels, but the difference is because of the UX design on Reels versus TikTok, you don't get audience you don't get to capture your audience, because the way the like button is shaped, it doesn't make people want to follow you when they see your reel. With TikTok, when they see your reel, there's a big heart, so you want to click on the heart, you want to tap the heart. There's a big follow thing. It's the user experience. The UX design is just so much more favorable that gives people the incentive to follow you on TikTok, and that's not the case with Instagram. So you could get a video. You get a video with like 10,000 views, and you might just get like 1 follower, which makes no sense. How am I getting on Instagram? December, I got 25,000 views in December on Instagram on my reels, but I got no followers. Versus I think I lost followers. Versus TikTok, I got 63,700 views on TikTok, and I got like over 1,000 followers. Right? But even the previous months. So my point is, like, Instagram just makes it so hard for you to grow your following with Reels, and that's how you grow in most platforms. On YouTube, I grow with YouTube Shorts. On TikTok, I grow with TikToks, and that's the easiest way to grow. But Instagram just makes it so difficult. They give you exposure, but they don't give you growth, which is like pretty irritating. And I found that you'd almost have to get like 1 million views on Instagram for you to actually get decent audience retention, which is kind of crazy. So if anyone from Instagram is watching this, please take a look at this, because this is a real annoying big issue that a lot of, I'm sure, creators experience. Because like, what's the point of some people are only creating on Instagram, which I really feel sorry for you if that's what you're doing. You have to be creating on every other platform. But I just feel like it sucks because like Instagram doesn't like support us. When I think about TikTok, I think about how they actually find and research ways to improve the creator experience and to ensure that the creator grows. That's what TikTok does. Like, they have a new feature on TikTok. If I add a celebrity in a post, my post will be fed out to that celebrity's following and audience. So basically, you're hacking the system and you're not able to tap into a large following just by adding a celebrity. That's going to give you more ability to get more views, right? But Instagram would never do that. And why? Why is it? It comes down to the fundamental difference between TikTok and Instagram. I guess at the end of the day, when it comes to Instagram, their agenda isn't necessarily to help creators or help the creator economy. Their agenda is to connect people. Their agenda is to ensure that all these videos that are shared on their platform, even though these videos, most original content is not even coming from Instagram anyway, it's coming from TikTok. Like the creatives are coming from TikTok, they're coming from YouTube. They're not really, it's typically reposted on Instagram. And so Instagram doesn't really necessarily care about having a flourishing creative marketplace more so than it cares about connecting you. So what happens is a video is posted on TikTok, but people want to share it with their friends in their community. And so they take it into Instagram and they post it on Instagram so people can see it. And that's where Instagram sort of like, in a way, kind of wins. Because when you think about it, as much as like TikTok and YouTube is really about building a fan base and a following, and it's about your audience of people that you don't really know them. But Instagram is pretty much Facebook extended, and it's like people that you actually know, your family, your friends. And so I get it. They're connecting people. They're connecting real people to people that they know. It's not like some foreign place where you just have random people just messaging you, even though you have that too if you're an influencer. But I just think that it would really help Instagram if they supported the creator economy more. And one of the reason why TikTok really blew, and you know, TikTok used to be called Musical.ly, and there's a video with the creator, with the CEO of Musical.ly/TikTok, and he basically talked about wanting to create a creator middle class and give everyday people the opportunity to become famous. And that's what we saw with TikTok. Like, you can't see a TikToker with less than, well, I mean, you can. But TikTok, people blew, especially during COVID. People blew. Like, when you look at Khaby Lame, he didn't have any followers like during COVID. He blew to over 100 million followers now. So TikTok really has created overnight superstars, and that was always their agenda, to make it easier to be an influencer, to make it easier to blow up. That was their agenda. And that was a gap in the market that no other app was providing. And that's why TikTok has become more popular than Facebook and all these places. And what Facebook has been known for is sort of copying other people's features and putting it on their platform, but ultimately so they can continue to connect people, so that people can share this stuff with their family and their friends. So I don't think that TikTok is going to replace Instagram in any way, shape, or form. I just feel as though I think that Instagram should support creatives more. I think out of all other platforms, Instagram does the least. YouTube even does more. Even though I have way more viewers on Instagram than I have on YouTube, my subscription base, my subscribers on YouTube has grown significantly higher than my subscribers on Instagram. So that doesn't make sense. It's just crazy. So Instagram, I think Instagram really needs to work on that. It's a really, really big pet peeve of mine. It sucks. And those are my thoughts. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenim, and see you next time. Peace. We've just launched mintedculture.com, a way for you to engage with all our content across social media. I know you guys are used to seeing Brand Video Pro content, but I have other channels. I have the Kenim O Show, which is it's a channel more about relationships, dating, modern culture, all the stuff that you saw me posting on this channel about the red pill, about modern dating, about modern culture, all my cultural essays. I've moved them to that channel. This channel, I'm going to stay focused on having this dynamic discussions about trending topics in media, entertainment, music, etc. So I'm going to keep, and Web3, all of that. So this channel is going to be hyper focused on this, but I've moved all my content about, like I said, all that content is going to go on the Kenim O Show. So go follow that channel. And definitely you could go to mintedculture.com, where I'm going to be posting all my videos from all my platforms on that website every single day. Then I also have Stream OVG Business, which is a channel more focused on business, entrepreneurship, making money, personal finances, and business opportunities. So go check that out too. And then of course there's Stream OVG about Black history, business, politics, and culture. So all of these different platforms are highlighted on mintedculture.com. So be sure to go check out mintedculture.com.